Shaggy Beauty. Greetings to subscribers and guests of my channel. Elena is with you again. Today we will make some napkins without edge treatment. They are shaggy again and are made very quickly and simply. At the beginning of the video, I show the last stage of cutting napkins in the form of a flower. All the layers of the flower are made in the same way. All forms are arbitrary and even a child will succeed. So try sewing. I do not show the initial stage since I sewed these blanks during a forced break when my computer was being repaired and I could not shoot videos. The more you like shagginess, the more you can loosen the petals. But still, the shagginess must be limited to a line along each layer of petals and with a different offset from the edge. In general, everything will be as you plan. You can trim a little terry cloth where you see fit. All the needlewomen have great success in their work and have a good viewing for everyone. If you liked my masterclass, then please like it. And if you haven't signed up yet, be sure to sign up so that you don't miss my master classes. If you liked my masterclass, then please like it. And if you haven't signed up yet, be sure to sign up so that you don't miss my master classes.